Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. And now today we are going to see the top 5 Japanese drama with cold or a rude male lead, where the man or the boy main lead is very arrogant and rude. On number 6 we have Happy Marriage. The Happy Marriage the Happy Marriage is a drama of a girl whose name is Takanashi Chiba. She is an office lady who works as a part-time at the club. And one day she gets into a trouble with a wealthy and a handsome customer who come to the club, and next day she gets fired because of their argument. The next day, a depressed Chuma when her by her boss and finds the rude man who was the same because of whom she got fired, offer her a contract marriage. And although she is initially resistant to idea, but she has no choice to accept because she is financially weak. So they two become a husband and wife as a contract marriage. But after that, how the two of them overcome all sorts of trouble between them and become a real couple, how the real love between them begins, and how a rude and a cold man begins to love a woman who is very opposite to him. So go and watch this drama, you will surely enjoy. On number 5 we have Wolf Girl and a Black Prince. In this drama, we see a girl who wants to show off in her girl group, so she says the lies to his girl group that she had a boyfriend. But when her girls group friends ask him the photo of his boyfriend, she go on a street of Japan and take a random photo of a random boy. But next day, and she show that photo to her girls that he is her boyfriend. But next day she saw that the boy came into her school as a new student, and the boy recognized her, and so she says to boy to keep it a secret, and she says to boy to convince him to as the boyfriend. So he says yes to be her fake boyfriend, but he says that there is the one condition: you want to be my servant and you will act like a dog in a private. So she is ready to be his dog in a private, and how their hate and sweet relationship turns into the real relationship, and how he really starts to care for her. Go and watch this drama, you will surely love this drama. On number 4 we have Tata Hitoshi no Ko. In this drama, you will see a poor guy falls for a rich girl. Every time we see a poor rich boy fall for a poor girl, but here is the condition is reverse. A poor guy fall for a rich girl, and it makes the involvement when the typical poor girl fall for a rich boy, and the guy is not really possessive, but he is a little bit cold. He can't express his feeling, but afterward he is little bit possessive. He become obsessive for that girl, and how their relationship changes as she fall for this boy, and how the all condition goes opposite to them. But then also their love doesn't become less, or they do not compromise with their love, and they always show the love to the others in the front of everyone without afraiding or without hesitating to anyone. So go and watch this drama and you will fully love this drama. It's a full of love drama. Don't avoid this drama. I am telling you, don't miss this drama, friends. This is very really cool drama. On number 3 we have The Last Friends. This drama is little bit violence drama, physically abuse type drama, but this is a story of a life of a girl whose name is Michiru Aida. She is a beauty parlor assistant who returns to Tokyo after 4 years. She is bullied by her senior at work and also abused by her boyfriend. And afterwards, she reunited after 4 years with her best friend during high school, Ruka. Ruka is a skilled motocross racer, and everything becomes so good. And he help her to become the out of the situation she is gone through. And but then also her boyfriend don't leave her. He always used to call her, who was abusive, and he become very possessive because of her. But he truly loved that girl, but because of his abusive and possessiveness, she can't afford the relationship. So how this cold man, an arrogant man, and a rude man, and the strong man convert into a simple sweet boy for her girlfriend. How the relationship changes with the time, how everything becomes good with the time. There are many lot of heart touching moments and also the emotional moment, but there is very much love making moment that will make you fall in love no matter what. So go and watch this drama, Last Friends. You will definitely love this drama. This is a worth watching drama. On number 2 we have Hana Yori Dango. It is the story of a middle class high school girl who is a middle class girl tries to survive in an elite high school where all the boys have the rich boy, and there is the F4 gang where the leader is very rich and very rude and always been cold. He never expresses his love or his feelings to anyone, and how the relationship changes. A middle class school girl how fall in love with this rich cold boy, and after how this cold boy also silently fall in the love this middle school girl, and how she tries to stay in this bully environment and how changes from a bully survival story to a romance between her and the leader of the F4 gang. Go and watch this drama, and this is a really hit drama, and you will really love the story. It is the best drama between a rich boy and a poor girl, and also between a cold-hearted man and a sweet girl. So go and watch this drama, Hana Yori Danga. On number we have the one and only Love Lasts Forever. This is the drama which is a very hit in the 2020. It is the story of a girl who fall in love with a man at the first meeting, after when he helped her to survive, to help one old woman, and after when she comes to know that he is a doctor, she decided to become a nurse so that she can go to the hospital same as this male lead where the doctor works. And so after 4 years, lot of hard work and lot of hard studies, she become a nurse and go to the hospital of same hospital where the doctor works. But when the first meeting, he was very sweet and very cute, but when she met this doctor after 4 years in the same hospital, he is very rude and stubborn, and she is shocked to see him in this situation as he is very opposite to her first meeting. So she expresses her love in the first day in front of everyone, but he rejected her every time. He rejected her 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, but she doesn't give on hope no matter how, but she tries on, and this makes this stubborn and a cold-hearted man fall for a sweet mischievous girl. So go and watch this drama. This is a very hit drama. This is a very worth watching drama. This is my personal favorite drama, where a cold or stubborn boy or a male lead falls for a girl.